Hello, Applied 30S students. Today we're going to be talking about proving and applying the sine and cosine laws for obtuse triangles. So what I want you to do is I want you to turn to page 26 in your booklet. And let's start. You can use sine law with acute or obtuse triangles when you know the length of two sides and the measure of an angle opposite one of those sides, the measure of two angles and the length of any side. Or you can use cosine law with acute or obtuse triangles when you know the length of two sides and the measure of a contained angle or the length of all three sides. So what we want to do is we want to start with determining the length of angle C to the nearest degree. Okay, so I know the length of two sides and an angle. Therefore, I'm going to use sine law. Okay, so it equals 65.27, which doesn't seem quite right because right now we're doing with an obtuse triangle. So what we're going to use is we're going to use our trig ratios. So we're going to use the formula. So we get 114.73. Because it is an obtuse angle, our 65 didn't fit because that is not greater than 90, and as you can see, it's greater than 90 degrees. So, determine angle E. Alright, so I'm given all the lengths of the sides but no angles. Therefore, I already know that I'm going to be using cos law. But since I can't use cos law to solve for angle E right away, because of the greater length across from it, I'm going to solve for, let's say, angle F first. So now I know what angle F is, I can use sine law to solve for angle E. Ooh, but I get the answer 35.87. So, what do you think I should do? Because I know all my steps are right. So now we're going to have to use a trig ratio and figure out what the supplementary angle is. My angle equals 144.13, which seems right because it is an obtuse angle. So your assignment is to do page 27 to 29 today.